Welcome to the new UI widget tutorials. This tutorial is about notifications. Multiple notifications can be displayed at once, or they can be displayed one by one. You can use both of them at the same time. You can also add buttons to the notifications to interact with users. Usage is simple. Create a clone of the notification template and call the show method with a message. Please check the documentation about all arguments of the show method. If you need to show custom data, you can create a component and pass data to it after creating a clone. For multiple notifications, you need to add a layout good component to the notifications container. It determines where and how notification will be displayed. To display notification one by one, you need to specify the sequence type argument to add notification at the start or the end of the queue. For those notifications, you don't need layout grouped, because only one of them will be displayed at once. For the notifications with buttons, you should use the showAsync method to await the index of the clicked button. Notifications clone are automatically reused, so you don't have to worry about object pools and similar optimization. That's all, thanks for watching.